In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust memory usage in Thinkorswim. If your charts feel sluggish, studies take a moment to load, or the platform seems a bit heavy during busy market hours, fine-tuning memory usage can make a noticeable difference. The goal is to give Thinkorswim enough room to work smoothly without starving the rest of your computer. Start by opening the Thinkorswim application. You'll land on the login screen, which is exactly where we want to be for these settings. Before signing in, look down to the bottom left corner of that login window. You should see an option for settings. It can be easy to miss if you're focused on getting logged in, so take a second to find it. Click on Settings. A configuration window will open with several options designed to control how the platform behaves. In this window, look for the section labeled Memory Usage. This is where you can manage how much of your computer's RAM Thinkorswim is allowed to use. Click on Memory Usage to open the controls. Inside, you'll see tools that help you balance performance and stability. Select the sample usage option to get a clearer sense of how the platform is currently consuming resources and what allocation makes sense for your setup. From here, you can adjust the allocation to match how you use Thinkorswim. If you regularly run multiple charts, level 2 data, and several indicators at once, consider increasing the allocation so the platform has more headroom. If you keep things simple with a few charts and watch lists, a moderate allocation is usually fine. A few quick tips as you adjust. Stay within the recommended range shown in the settings, and try to leave a healthy amount of memory available for your operating system and other apps. For example, on a system with limited RAM, avoid maxing out the slider. On a system with more RAM, you can allocate more to Thinkorswim, but still keep some headroom so your browser, spreadsheets, and background tasks don't slow down. If you notice stuttering during high volume times, a small bump in allocation can help. If your computer feels bogged down overall, consider dialing it back slightly. Once you're happy with the adjustment, click Save. Your changes will be stored, and the platform may apply them immediately or the next time it starts. If you see any prompt related to applying the settings, just follow it on screen. And that's it. Open Thinkorswim, find Settings at the bottom left of the login screen, go to Memory Usage. Use sample usage to guide your choice, adjust as needed, and click Save. With the right balance, you will get smoother charts and a more responsive platform.